Okay, so in our data booklet, we have this formula of F net equals F applied plus the force of friction. So I'm going to rearrange that in order to solve for the force of friction. The net force applied, we know, is mass times acceleration. Okay, and we have the acceleration and we have the mass. We know that the force applied is 100, so we're going to subtract that from there. And it says then we get a negative number of 20.5 newtons. And this makes sense. The reason why it is negative is because, remember, force is a vector. So it has magnitude and direction. So now because it's a negative, we know that it is opposing the direction of motion. So in other words, if this 100 newtons is being applied to the right, the friction is actually moving to the left, which makes sense because it's opposing that motion, right? The more friction we have, the harder it is to get it going. Where if we have a frictionless surface, it's easier to just give it a little bit of a push and it will continue in that motion. So remember, friction always opposes the direction of motion.